In this video, I will show you how to average numbers if the cells contain a specific text in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have inventory data containing products and their prices. Now I want to average the price of the products containing the text shirt. To average the cells containing specific text, we can use the average if function. The average if function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet the given criteria. This function accepts three arguments: a cell range, a criteria, and an optional average range. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type average if followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells containing the products as the first argument. Now type shirt in the double quotes as the second criteria argument. Since we want to average the price, select the cells containing the price as the third average range argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average of cells containing the text shirt. This formula returned the average of the cells containing the exact text shirt only. You can use the asterisk wildcard character if you want the average of the cells containing the substring anywhere in the cell. For example, the star shirt criteria will return the average of the cells ending with the text shirt. Similarly, the shirt star criteria will return the average of the cells starting with the text shirt, and the star shirt star criteria will return the average of the cells containing the specific text shirt anywhere in the cell content. The average if formula we used here is not case sensitive, meaning it will return the average of the cells containing the text by ignoring the case of the text. For example, this formula contains the text in uppercase and all the cells in the given range have the text in lowercase. However, the formula still returned the average of the cells. We can also use the average ifs function instead of the average if function to calculate the average. The average ifs function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. Please note that the order of the arguments of the average ifs function is different from the average if function. Since we want to get the average price, I will select the range of the cells containing the price as the first average range argument. Select the product cell as the second criteria range argument. Finally, I will type the criteria star shirt star in the double quotes as the third criteria argument. As you can see, we now have the average of the price as the product name contains the text. Similar to the average if function, the average ifs function is also not case sensitive, as we can see from this example. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.